Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a freelancer, agency owner, or even a solo WordPress developer trying to build steady recurring revenue, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm diving into something that could literally change the way you sell your services and grow your business. I'm talking about the WordPress Maintenance Services Sales Toolkit. So, I'll be honest. I've seen a lot of tools, templates, and so-called done-for-you systems over the years that promise the moon and barely deliver a pebble. That's not the case here. The first time I opened this toolkit, I was kind of overwhelmed, but in a good way. It's packed. And I don't just mean a few templates or checklists. I'm talking about a full-blown plug-and-play sales system built specifically for WordPress professionals. Now let me walk you through what really stood out to me. First off, the complete website maintenance manual. This thing is a beast. Over 170 pages of detailed practical info that doesn't just educate your clients, it sells them. And the genius part? It's fully brandable. You can add your logo, your business name, even personalize it for each client. Instead of pitching maintenance packages like some desperate upsell, you're giving your clients something valuable. Something that explains why maintenance matters and why they need a pro like you to handle it. Here's what I love about the approach. It flips the script. You're not pushing your service. You're guiding your client to discover the real risks of neglecting their site. Once they see all the moving parts, like updates, backups, database cleanup, security checks, uptime monitoring, they start to realize, okay, this is not something I want to manage myself. And that's when they come to you. The toolkit doesn't stop there. It also includes over 300 sales scripts and email templates. These are written in a way that feels natural, not pushy, and you can tweak them to fit your style. You get everything from initial outreach messages to follow-up sequences, onboarding templates, client reactivation emails, and even win-back campaigns for clients who ghosted you in the past. It's like having your own copywriter on staff. There's also a huge library of client education content. I'm talking about editable lead magnets, SEO content plans, and over 60 digital business video courses. You could use these to educate your clients, add value to your service packages, or even build a membership site around them. That's how much content is included. There's even a collection of non-branded maintenance videos you can slap your logo on and send to clients as part of your training program. One of the coolest bonuses? A chatbot platform that's totally free for Toolkit users. If you've ever wanted to automate lead capture or offer real-time answers to client questions without being glued to your laptop all day, this is a solid way to do it. And yep, it's beginner-friendly. But let's talk results. I've seen stories from real users who've dramatically boosted their maintenance plan signups. Like one guy said he went from converting about 10% of his clients to 60% after using the manual and email sequence. That's a serious jump. Even if you only hit half of that, you're still winning. And the return on investment becomes a no-brainer. What makes this stand out is that you're not just getting one ebook or one tool. You're getting a whole system, a strategy. And it's designed to work for you in the background, even when you're not actively selling. That means more passive conversions, more recurring income, and more time to focus on what you do best, building awesome websites. Plus, they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. If you try it and it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. No awkward emails, no hoops to jump through. So yeah, if you're tired of chasing down clients for maintenance plans, or you just want a smoother, more professional way to sell ongoing services, the WordPress Maintenance Services Sales Toolkit is seriously worth checking out. I've seen a lot of offers, but this one hits the mark in terms of both value and usability. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the toolkit or if you have any questions about it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.